In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize sections in Wix. We'll walk through seeing how your site is divided, adding a new section under the header, editing its layout and content, creating a blank section from scratch, and finally publishing your changes. Start in the Wix editor by clicking zoom out so you can clearly see how your site is organized into sections. Around 50% works well. Scroll through to spot areas like the header, an about section, and a contact section. Each section is its own block with independent layout, content, and background. Thinking in sections helps you keep your design consistent and your content easy to scan. Next, add a new section just below the header. Click the Add button on the left and choose Add Section. You can pick a blank section if you want full creative control, or choose a pre-made layout like Welcome, About, or Contact. Once you've selected a layout, drag it beneath the header until you see the placement indicator, then drop it where you want it to appear. Click into your new About section to start editing. Most About layouts include a strip that spans the page width and columns that separate text from images. Open Manage Columns to add or remove columns, or to resize and reposition them for your content. Adjust the overall layout by switching the strip to full width for edge-to-edge design or keeping it at page width for a more contained look. Update the background color or image so it complements your brand and maintains good text contrast. Now refine the text and elements. If you see a quick edit panel, use it to change the section title, such as turning About into About Me, and to update any default text, buttons, or social icons. You can also click directly on any text to edit it inline, then adjust the font, size, and color to match your style guide. Need more content? Click the plus icon inside the section to add elements like a button or image and drag them into the desired column. Use alignment guides to keep everything neat and readable. To build from scratch, add a blank section. Click. Add again, choose blank section, and Wix will place it just below the last section you selected. Drag in text, buttons, images, or forms, resize the section by pulling its top or bottom edge, and fine-tune the background, padding, and spacing for a consistent design rhythm. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right to make the new sections live. Your site is now organized into clear, navigable blocks, each with its own content and layout. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.